I was anxious to protect my votes, and during that time, had conversations with many people, including a Comelec official. I recognize that making any such call was a lapse in judgment. I am sorry.
Why did you make him leave? There's nothing wrong with him. Why do you hate him? You want him crucified? Is it the way he looks, or the way he speaks his mind? Never heard a song played on the radio. Oh, there's nothing wrong with him, but it's you and your friends. Oh, there's nothing wrong with him, but it's you and your friends. Never hear the song played on the radio. Every day was talking about her. She's done what she had to do, having to raise 2 kids without a father. But you just sat there and watched her suffer. You think you're something special. Boy, you blew it, this conversation's over. Never hear the sound played on the radio.